I don't care who's buying or selling. AMD telling me everything I need to know with this price action right here. As you can see, we have a bigger move that's pushed up into a double top, and that's usually a formation of a range, all right? So the range is kind of already on here. All we need to do is figure out the deviations above and below to get those extremes, all right? So in this situation, the resistance is going to be pretty close to right there, and then also the level of support is going to be just underneath these lows right here, all right? So with this all being said, we can now figure out that a lot of the time what's been happening is it's just been traveling from the highs to the lows, highs to the lows. So in this situation, it's kind of no different. We're looking for the full distance above to essentially be the full distance underneath. So once we do kind of get down to this level, which is associated with 224, let's put a price on that, 224 and 3/4, we should actually look for a bullish bounce like it's been doing. So don't be too surprised if we end up pushing back up and then fully rotating now back up to the distance of where it came from. And in this situation, that's like 240, okay? So that's the most preferred variation you need to be aware of when trading AMD over the next few days here. Now, it won't be until we get an extreme in either direction that we need to change the game plan, all right? Now, that extreme, let's just say for the bear case scenario, would happen by us clearly breaking through this low. Now, we already know what to expect as far as being a bull, excuse me, but we now can look at this in terms of what we need to expect as far as being a bear. Now in this situation, we just need to look for a sell to come all the way back down to this prior low, and we can figure out things from there, all right? So things will change subjectively the further we go down, but again, if we just simply retest these lows, we are looking to be bullish, all right? Now things can change, and they are subject to change, which is why we always have a live stream Discord every Monday through Friday. So look down below if you're interested. See you on the next candle.